When it comes to modern house water tank design in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading firm that specializes in creating innovative and efficient solutions. With their expertise in architectural design and engineering, they have developed cutting-edge designs that not only meet the functional requirements of a water tank but also add aesthetic value to the overall design of the house. Modern house water tank designs by Scon Design India Private Ltd are known for their sleek and contemporary look. They understand the importance of integrating the water tank seamlessly into the overall design of the house, ensuring that it does not become an eyesore or disrupt the visual harmony of the space. Their designs are carefully crafted to blend with the architectural style of the house, whether it is a minimalist modern design or a traditional Indian-inspired home. One of the key features of Scon Design's modern house water tank designs is their focus on space optimization. They understand that space is a valuable commodity in urban homes, especially in cities like Bangalore, where every square foot counts. Therefore, their designs are tailored to make the most efficient use of available space while still ensuring an adequate water storage capacity. Whether it is utilizing vertical space by installing tall and slim tanks or integrating the tank into existing structures such as balconies or rooftops, Scon Design prioritizes functionality without compromising on aesthetics. In addition to space optimization, Scon Design also pays attention to sustainability and eco-friendliness in their water tank designs. They incorporate features such as rainwater harvesting systems, which allow homeowners to collect and store rainwater for various uses such as gardening or flushing toilets. This not only helps reduce water consumption but also contributes to environmental conservation. When it comes to modern house water tank design in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the leading company in the industry. With their innovative and efficient designs, they have revolutionized the way water tanks are incorporated into modern homes. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of water storage and ensures that their designs not only meet the functional requirements but also enhance the overall aesthetics of the house. One of the key aspects of modern house water tank design is space optimization. Scon Design India Private Ltd specializes in designing water tanks that are compact and do not take up excessive space in the house. Their team of experienced designers carefully assess the available space and come up with creative solutions to integrate the water tank seamlessly into the house. This ensures that homeowners do not have to compromise on valuable living space while still having sufficient water storage capacity. Another important factor in modern house water tank design is sustainability. Scon Design India Private Ltd takes into consideration the environmental impact of their designs,